Let's take another set of 4 sentences with this. You put a tiny seed in your garden and it grows into a tiny plant. Then what will you say? This is a plant. Good. This. This is a plant. This is a plant. And you put a full stop here. This tiny plant, it grows, supposing it's a mango seed or it's an apple seed, it grows into a very big tree. Then what will you say? This is a tree. Good. This is a tree. T R E E. This is a tree. What does the tree have on it? Lots of greeny thing. What is that? Leaves. So what will you say? This is a leaf. This is a leaf. L E A F. This is a leaf. Now on the tree, flowers come out. So you take a flower and what will you say? This is a flower. Good. This is a flower. F L O W E R. Flower. Let's read the 4 sentences. This is a plant. This is a tree. This is a leaf. And this is a flower. Let's write few sentences using this. And for this, let's take the shapes. You like shapes? Okay. Now, if it is a nice, round, what is that? What's something round? Circle. Tell me something circular. Sweet, yeah, lovely. You love to eat circular, lollipop. Good. Circle. Children love to draw circle, color inside the circle. Let's write. This is a circle. Good. This is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. This is a circle. What is the shape of a samosa? Triangle. Good. Sometimes you get triangular biscuits. Yes? Triangle. Let's write. This is a triangle. Good. This is a triangle. T R I A N G L E. This is a triangle. Now, he loved to play with blocks. What's the shape of the blocks that you play with? Square. And you build using the blocks You build and you play. So let's write. This is a square. This is a square. Good. What is the shape of your table, your dining table, or your cot? Rectangle. So what will you say? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. R E C T A N G L E. This is a rectangle. Look at the four shapes we have done. This is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a square. And this is a rectangle. Let's take another set of sentences. Let's write this. Now, Daddy drinks coffee in what? In a cup, yes. So what will you say for that cup? This is a cup. Shall we write? This. This is a cup. Now you are a little girl. So mommy gives you your milk in what? In a mug so that you don't drop it. Mug. Yes? So you'll write, this is a mug. Good. This is a mug. M U G. Mug. What do you take to go to school? Where will you put your books, your pencil box, and etc.? In a bag. School bag. Bag. So you take a bag. So what will you say? This is a bag. This is a bag. B A G. Bag. This is a bag. Now, in the toilet, what are the things you should have in the toilet? You should have a mug and a bucket. For what? To fill water. So you will say, this is a bucket. This is a bucket. B U C K E T. Bucket. Look at the four sentences we have written using this. This is a cup. This is a mug. This is a bag. And this is a bucket.